Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best stove cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a sparkling kitchen. Stainless steel stoves are a beautiful addition to any home, but keeping them clean can be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore the top stainless steel stove cleaners on the market, helping you find the perfect product to keep your stove looking its best. Number 5. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner Kit. This kit from Weiman is designed to make your stainless steel surfaces shine. It's the #1 selling stainless steel brand, trusted by many for its effectiveness. The Weiman kit quickly removes fingerprints, residue, watermarks, and grease. The pH-neutral formula ensures a thorough clean without damaging the surface. This product cleans, shines, and protects your stainless steel. It leaves a protective barrier that resists fingerprints, dust, dirt, and smudges. You can use it on refrigerators, microwaves, ovens, stoves, and more. It's compatible with all stainless steel surfaces, including black stainless steel. The kit includes a spray bottle, a microfiber cloth, and stainless steel wipes. Everything you need to keep your stainless steel looking its best is included. What we like? This kit comes with multiple items, offering great value. It effectively removes fingerprints, leaving surfaces spotless. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution with added convenience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. A very little amount on a microfiber cloth managed the smudges and streaks better than other cleaners I have tried, and it did not leave a cloudy finish, nor did it have an overpowering smell. This product makes cleaning my stainless steel appliances a cinch. It doesn't leave any streaking and will not scratch the stainless steel. Number 4. Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. This amazing cleaner is made with 100% USDA certified bio-based content. It leaves a brilliant polished finish on your stainless steel appliances. You'll love how it rejuvenates your kitchen. Easily removes streaks, smudges, and residue. The product ensures a brilliant finish. It's perfect for keeping your appliances looking their best. This pH-neutral formula is safe for appliances, grills, and sinks. It's a great choice for your refrigerator, microwave, and stove. You can use it all over your home. It expertly cleans black stainless steel and leaves a protective barrier. The product helps against fingerprints, dust, dirt, and smudges. Your surfaces will stay cleaner longer. The metal cleaner acts as a stainless steel scratch inhibitor. It ensures surfaces stay free from scratches while resisting smudges. It's designed to protect your investment. It works exceptionally well as an appliance, barbecue, or grill cleaner spray. The product removes grease, grime, oil, and residues. It's a must-have for any home. Proudly made in the USA, this cruelty-free formula is 100% USDA certified bio-based. It was never tested on animals. Designed with families in mind, it prioritizes safety for every household. What we like? This cleaner uses a plant-powered formula, making it a great choice for eco-conscious consumers. It also delivers a streak-free shine, enhancing the look of your appliances. If you value both effective cleaning and environmental responsibility, you should consider this. What people say. I've tried all the mass-produced top-rated cleaners polishers. I just tried it and it's great. Wonderful product. This is the best stainless steel cleaner I have ever used. Most leave a film but not this. Also, you can actually touch up an area without cleaning the entire surface. No oily residue. Number 3. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. This is the #1 selling stainless steel brand. It's a trusted cleaning solution for your home's stainless steel surfaces. Clean, protect, and enjoy your appliances with this product. The pH-neutral formula quickly cleans, shines, and protects any stainless steel surface. It works great on all types and colors of stainless steel, leaving them looking their best. Say goodbye to fingerprints, smudges, and residue. This cleaner effectively removes them, leaving a clean and pristine surface. It makes your appliances look brand new. The polish leaves a protective barrier that repels dirt and dust. It's easy to use, simply wipe in the direction of the metal grain and buff with a soft, dry cloth. The result is a brilliant, streak-free shine. Use it on your stainless steel refrigerator, wine fridges, microwave, oven, stove, grill, sink, range hood, and trash cans. It's perfect for a variety of appliances throughout your home. You get two 12-ounce bottles of stainless steel cleaner and a reusable microfiber buffing towel. This bundle provides everything you need to keep your stainless steel surfaces looking their best. What we like. This product effectively eliminates fingerprints and provides a brilliant, streak-free shine. It also leaves a protective barrier, repelling dirt and dust. If you are tired of constantly cleaning fingerprints off your appliances, this is the one for you. What people say. Love this product. It cleans our stainless steel tables, stove, ovens, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave impeccably. After cleaning, a thin protective layer is left behind, which makes the next cleaning easier. Cleans well without leaving streaks, dries quickly and leaves your stainless looking nice and shiny. Highly recommend. It's very effective and easy. Doesn't have a nasty smell. Fantastic product. Almost makes polishing stainless steel fun, because it works so fast and easily. Number 2. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Are you tired of fingerprints and smudges on your stainless steel appliances? This product is designed to clean, protect, and shine. It's the perfect solution for a streak-free finish. Weiman is a trusted brand for cleaning delicate surfaces in your home. This product is the best and most trusted stainless steel cleaner. You can enjoy a clean and protected home. This pH-neutral formula quickly cleans, shines, and protects any stainless steel surface. It works great on black stainless steel too. The product will make your appliances look brand new. Say goodbye to fingerprints, haze, and smudges. This cleaner effectively removes grease and residue buildup. It leaves your appliances looking spotless. This polish leaves a protective barrier that repels dirt and dust. The included microfiber cloth makes it easy to use. Simply wipe in the direction of the metal grain and buff with a soft, dry cloth. Use it on your stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, oven, stove, grill, sink, range hood, and trash cans. It's a versatile cleaner for all your stainless steel needs. For streak-free results, don't forget to buff. This product comes with a microfiber towel. It ensures a perfect, polished finish every time. What we like. This cleaner protects your appliances from fingerprints and leaves a streak-free shine. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting results. If you want a simple, yet effective way to keep your appliances looking their best, you should consider it. What people say. Made my stainless appliances look brand new. No streaks. Highly recommended. It is perfect for stainless steel, making it shiny and clean. I use this on my commercial ice machine dispenser and it really makes it shine, but the best part, it seems to help keep it free of hard water stains and buildup. Number 1. Hope's Perfect Stainless Steel Cleaner 2-Pack. Introducing the new Perfect Stainless Formula. It's a cleaner and polish in one, so you can achieve a 100% streak-free shine with less effort. This product makes cleaning easier. The self-polishing formula allows you to wipe it on and walk away. Even if the product is still visible, it will buff itself to a smooth, even shine. This feature saves you time and energy. This stainless cleaner and polish spray clings to vertical surfaces. It leaves no oily residue or drips on your floor, and there is no harsh chemical smell. This product is designed for your convenience. The new Perfect Stainless formula removes existing fingerprints and blocks new ones. This helps keep your stainless steel surfaces looking cleaner for longer. It is a great way to maintain your appliances. No need to clean the entire appliance for a simple touch-up. Just dab a bit of the product on a paper towel and touch up the affected area. It's that easy to keep it looking perfect. What we like. This cleaner features a self-polishing formula, making the cleaning process effortless. It also blocks fingerprints, keeping your appliances looking cleaner for longer. If you like a cleaner that requires less effort and provides lasting results, you should consider this. What people say. Got a new fridge and this stuff works miracles for my kids' fingerprints and sticky hands. Does a great job. I doesn't leave residue like the olive oil did. The finish after using this product for the first time is superb. It has left the kettle and cutlery holder looking like brand new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.